Uh, all right, folks, today let's tackle the basics of making wudu, an essential ritual of purification in Islam. Whether you're new to it or need a refresher, we'll break it down into easy steps that even a Portland coffee enthusiast like myself could manage. The beauty of wudu lies in its simplicity, um, but getting started can be daunting. Um, Common pain points, misunderstanding the sequence, how much water to use, and am I doing it right? Misunderstanding fears, and rest assured, we'll
unravel this mystery one step at a time.
Step one is the niyyah or intention. No need for vocal declarations. It's all about setting your heart and mind towards the act. Um, this internal confirmation lays the foundation for mindfulness throughout the process. Way more zen than you thought, right? Um, Rinse your hands 3 times under running water. Make sure both hands and forearms get a good splash. Bonus points for not soaking yourself in the process. Screen subtitles. Rule number 1. Water is your friend, but no splashing wars, please. Next, you'll rinse your mouth 3 times. Ensure to swish the water around properly. This step not only symbolizes purity, but is honestly quite refreshing. Pro tip, avoid doing this right after Portland's famous spicy ramen. That's a rookie move. And then it's onto your nose. Sniff water into your nostrils, then expel it. Do this carefully. It's the finesse that matters. Think of it as a nasal cleanse, minus the fancy spa treatment fee. 3 times to be precise. Now, wash your face entirely from your hairline to your chin and ear to ear. Pro tip, on colder Portland days, use lukewarm water. Your face will thank you. In the imagery, swirls of water cascading down your face creates that perfect, serene vignette. Next, it would wash your arms right up to the elbows, starting with the right arm, then the left, 3 times. This part can feel a bit like an impromptu arm workout, but stick with it. Muscle tone isn't a Wudu gained bonus, but hey, one can hope. A gentle massage over your hair comes next. Wet it your hands and pass them over your head from forehead to the back, and return to the front. It's surprisingly calming, almost like giving yourself a mini head massage without the weird shampoo smell. Don't forget those ears. Twist in your fingers and wipe them inside and out. For someone with Portland's rainy atmosphere, think of it as preparing yourself for the outside weather. Little extra care goes a long way. Finally, wash both feet up to the ankles, starting with the right foot. Here's a golden rule. Ensure between the toes gets attention. It's not a foot spa, but it's pretty close in intent. And sit on a stool for comfort. It's a lifesaver. Trust me. So, and just like that, Wudu is complete, and relaxed yet energized. You're now ready for prayer or to meditate by the Portland waterfront. Wudu might be simple, but it has a profound impact. Think 5 minutes for peace and cleanliness, repeated daily. How's that for meaningful? Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon Wudu will become second nature. If only mastering latte art was this manageable Just take it step by step with intention and sincere heart. Go forth, purified and enlightened.